Mahindra XUV 400 EV is priced between 15.49 rupees lakh and 19.39 rupees lakh, ex-showroom Pan India. Variants. It is available in two main variants: Pro EC and Pro EL. Color options: Arctic Blue, Everest White, Galaxy Gray, Napoli Black, Nebula Blue, Infinity Blue. Boot space. The XUV 400 provides a boot space of 378 liters. Seating capacity. It can seat up to 5 passengers. Battery pack and range. The XUV 400 offers two battery choices, 34.5 kilowatt-hours and 39.4 kilowatt-hours. It is paired with a single electric motor producing 150 PS and 310 Newton-meters. The 34.5 kilowatt-hour battery offers an estimated range of 375 kilometers (MIDC), while the larger 39.4 kilowatt-hour battery provides 456 kilometers. The charging times are as follows: 50 kilowatts DC fast charger, 50 minutes, 0 to 80%. 7.2 kilowatts AC charger, 6.5 hours. 3.3 kilowatts domestic charger, 13.5 hours. Features. Key features include a 10.25-inch touchscreen system, a 10.25-inch digital driver's display, dual-zone AC, a sunroof, wireless phone charging, and push-button start-stop. Safety. Safety features include up to 6 airbags, cornering brake control, electronic stability program (ESP), a tire pressure monitoring system (TPMS), hill hold assist, and a rear parking camera. Rivals. The XUV 400 competes with the Tata Nexon EV and serves as an affordable alternative to the Hyundai Kona Electric and MG ZS EV. Pros. Features list. Wide range of powertrains. Cons. Rear seat space. Lumpy ride. For more car reviews, subscribe our YouTube channel, Cars Squad.